Right, welcome then to this first lesson in the series on compound measures. First lesson we're going to look at is on speed. So the definition, the speed of an object, remember, just tells us how fast it moves in a certain time. And the key formula you need to write down here, very simple formula, speed equals distance divided by time. Very easy. All right, so let's do on to example straight away. So example 1, pause the video, write this one down, and then come back to me when you're ready for the answer, all right? Okay, welcome back. So I'm looking at this now. Okay, Usain Bolt ran 100 meters in 9.58 seconds when he set the world record. Find his speed in meters per second. Well, I always write the formula down. Distance over time. Now look at this question. What are we given? We're given the distance, which I'll call D, is 100 meters. And we're given the time it took him to run, which I'll call T, 9.58 seconds. So speed, if I do it by here again, okay, I use the short version now. Speed equals distance divided by time, which is 100 meters. The units are a set measure, but this unit's really important here, okay? Divided by 9.58 seconds. Obviously, you're going to have to use a calculator for this. So 100 divided by 9.58 gives you, I got 10.43, etc. So 10.438, etc. I'm going to round this now, okay, to 2 decimal places. All right, so remember, use my cutoff after the 3. 8 means round up. So I'm going to get 10.44. Now, what will the units be? The units are going to be in meters per second. I've got meters on top, then the line, then seconds. Okay, and so you write that like this: meters per second. 2 decimal places. Easy peasy. So that means in 1 second, like 1, he covered 10.44 meters, which is unbelievably quick. Okay, example 2, pause it, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So again, I'm asked to find his speed. And I know that's distance divided by time. So what have we got? We're told that the distance is 200 meters. I should say in there, guys. Typo, sorry. And the time is 21.34 seconds. Okay. So speed equals distance divided by time. So that's 200 meters over 21.34 seconds. So get a calculator out. 200 divided by 21.34 gives me 9.372, etc. 2 dp, 2 means stay the same. 9.37 again, meters per second to 2 decimal places. I think I have one more example, a bit more complicated, example 3. Yeah, so pause this one now, okay? And then come back to me when you're ready for the answer. Okay, welcome back. Again, so speed equals distance over time. The switch sticks in my brain. And what are we told here now? Right, we are told that world record time, right? So the time, first of all, here, okay, is 3 minutes and 50 seconds. And the distance is 1,500 meters. Now be careful with this one. I'm looking for the speed in meters per second. There's a trick we have to use here, okay? So speed equals distance divided by time. All right, now the distance is fine because the distance is already in meters. I'm good to go. But see, look, I need the bottom to be in seconds, okay? Because I need seconds on the bottom to make meters per second. At the moment, this time is not in seconds, it's in minutes and seconds. So I need to convert this time into pure seconds. All right, and we should know, shouldn't we? All right, remember that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So from minutes to seconds, I'm timesing by 60. So if I do 3 times 60, you get 180. And I have to add on. So I don't want to do that. That's bad. That's really bad style. Let me get rid of that bit there, okay? It's 180. And then perhaps I'll come down. No, okay, so no, you'll go by unit. I'll go by unit. Yeah, so I have to do 180. Oh, sorry. 180. Add 50, which is actually 230 seconds. We need that trick all day today. To the minutes into seconds by multiplying by 60, and then add the seconds on to finish it off. Okay, so it's 1500 divided by 230. So 1500 divided by 230 gives me 6.521, etc. 2dp, 1 means round down. So 6.52 meters per second to 2 decimal places. Okay, to 2dp. All right, guys. So, yep, that's all there is to it. Distance over time and watch those seconds. Okay, for the main task now, look at the next slide. I've looked up all the world records, okay, and the record holder, and the time it took them to cover the distances. Okay. When we get to certain questions, you may have to look up some facts, all right? Like, how far is a mile in meters? Look it up on the internet, okay? Maybe you know. And this one here, the marathon. How long in meters is the marathon? And swimming the channel. How long is the channel? All right. So for each of these people now, so this would be the first question here. Work out their speed in meters per second. Then work out Usain Bolt speed in meters per second for the 200 meters, etc. Guys. Any long answers, round to 2dp. Good luck to you. And then when you're done, come back and I'll show you all the answers. Okay, welcome back. So I've done all the answers here in the right-hand column. Hopefully you saw off the internet, all right, that the mile is about 1,609 meters a mile is. And I think the channel, the English channel, is 21 miles. Okay, if you do 21 times 1609, then you get, you know, a rather large number of meters. 33,789 for that one. That was the distance there. Okay, and again for the marathon, if you just looked up the marathon, then I can't remember what the exact value for the marathon was. I think it was like 42,000, and you can work out the speed for the marathon as well. All right, so make sure you mark those, guys, and then let's do a checking question. Okay, so pause the video, write down what's important, then come back to me when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So Gwenda enjoys road running. Yeah, me too. She keeps record of her run each day this week. Do I understand this? Yes. So on Sunday, she ran 4.6 kilometers in a time of 26 minutes. On Monday, 5.4 kilometers, 31 minutes. I get it, yeah. And I want to find her average speed for the week. All right. Now remember, average speed is often used, but it just means her speed for the week. Okay, average speed and speed are interchangeable terms. And I want the answer in kilometers per hour. Okay, so I know now that speed equals distance divided by time. All right, and I want the answer in kilometers per hour. So I need kilometers on top and hours on the bottom. All right. So I think what I'll do to find a total distance, I'm going to add up all her distances for each day to find her total distance for the week. Okay, So 4.6 plus 5.4 plus 2.2 plus 6.2 plus 2.2 plus 3.4, and I've got 24. I'll just double check that, guys, because lots of numbers will add up there. 5.4, 2.2, 6.2, 7.2, 2.2, 3.4. Oh, yeah, I think I made a mistake. Let me do it one more time. 4.6 plus 5.4 on the calculator. 2.2 plus 6.2 plus 7.2 plus 2.2 plus 3.4. Yeah, 31.2. I must have mistyped. See, that shows you always check your work. So in total, she ran 31.2 kilometers for the week. So I'll put that on top here. All right. Now I know what you're thinking. I know the bottom needs to be in hours. Sorry, but I will just add up the minutes first of all and see what happens. Okay. Let's hope I get a nice number. Is it? So 26 add 31 add 12 add 35 add 40 add 14 add 22. Oh, that's 180 minutes. All right. But look, I need hours on the bottom. So, but hopefully we know, don't we? Yeah. That what's the connection between hours and minutes? Well, 1 hour, remember, is 60 minutes. So if you're going from hours to minutes, you multiply. If you're looking backwards, then you divide. Okay, so if you do right here, 180 divided by 60 is 3. So actually, she ran for 3 hours. So I'm good to go. 31.2 kilometers divided by 3 hours on the calculator, or you maybe do it in your head. And I get a lovely answer of 10.4 kilometers per hour. All right, bang on. You may see some people write kilometers per hour as kmph. All right, but I think I always use the / notation because it's consistent. Okay, so I'll get rid of that, and there's my answer. All right, so thanks for listening. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.